When you are finished with your selfie scientist or the scientist drawing in Keynote, I would like you to take a screenshot of slide number 2, your finished product. So in order to take a screenshot, you press the power button and the home button on the iPad at the same time. Notice how it gives me an image in the bottom left corner. I can tap on that, and if you notice on the outside edges of the border, you've got thicker parts of the line. And on those thicker parts of the line, you can actually drag the border and crop just your scientist selfie. Once you're done with that, I want you to email me this screenshot. So in order to email it right from here, you're going to press this share arrow in the top right corner. So it's the box with the arrow pointing up. And when you do that, you'll get this menu and list of things you can do. Since our mail app is set up, we can tap on the word mail with that envelope icon. And you'll notice it creates the email for you with that screenshot right in the email. The subject is also filled out for you, so you don't have to worry about typing anything there. All you need to do is put in my email address for 2. So I'm going to type in jhetman@revereschools.org. The second option you have to email it to me, I'm going to cancel this. If I were to send it, I'd hit the blue arrow. But the other thing that you can do is after you've cropped it, you can hit done and save it to your photos. Then you can go to the email that I'm going to send you, and you can reply to that email and attach the photo. So let me show you what that would look like. So if I go to my mail app and I go to the email that says Keynote Scientist Drawing, in order to reply and attach my screenshot, I can tap on this arrow in the bottom right corner. It looks like it's pointing to the left, and I can choose reply. Now I just need to attach the photo. So in order to attach the photo, there's a lot of ways you can do it. I'm going to do it by double tapping on my screen and choosing from that menu that pops up, insert photo or video. And then you'll see that there's a bunch of things that pop up from my photo stream. So I want to select the one that is my screenshot, and then I can close that pop-up, and you can see it is now in the body of the email. So when I hit this blue arrow, it sends it back to me, and that is your second way that you could submit your screenshot.